3.
Hi, my name is Lauren Lowe from Future Fitouts. We've just completed our second Gong meditation session. We did one last year during our busiest time, and we've put it on the team calendar again for this year. Once again, it was another incredible experience and something that I would highly recommend to any corporate looking at incorporating wellness into their team, or a stress release, or individuals looking to try something different. Quite different from your normal meditation. You don't need to know how to meditate or anything, you just, the gongs do the work for you. My personal experience this year was I felt like I was walking on water. There was no people, there was no sound, I was just walking very slowly across water. Aaron, my business partner and husband, said he feels like he's had a week off work, so that was a 1 hour gong session to feel like he's had a week off work. Our whole team loved it. This year, year 2020, obviously with COVID, has been a very, very challenging year for many people, including ourselves, both professionally and personally. And so to end the year with something like this and support our team through all of the challenges that we've all faced this year, and be able to relax down and head into the holidays, has just been a great experience. So thank you very, very much, Lee, and we can't wait to do it again next year. Thank you.